Yo! Yo! Man line around ya. Man line around ya. Boom ball, look him big.
Jump again.
Him big enough.
Me see him first time.
Gary.
Me see
What we
him
gonna do this?
first
You
time.
want to line? You want the phone bringing them right? Video general.
Have him. See him there. Man, say no video, man. See him there. See him slow him down with him hand there. And the man that's a borrow baby, so I must slow down with hand both. That him say, you know. Me see him, of course.
I know why I know.
What you mean the wire? Watch out to know no father, lad. Cause him turn again there for himself. Him turn, him gone back the next direction. See the father? See him though? He might use it. Hold on, look at the fish, Smithy. A walk. My own. Just take the drag now. It bed. A man attack. Hey, DK! Hey, some man who come up here and attack, boy, shark! See the people? More sure the fish will jump out there, the man see a shark, you know. Me zoom in on him. DK! Go, come closer.
Let me get involved. Look closer. People see me? See me? See me? Line I get spool. Watch out. How much yard gone already? 600? How much yard him gone? Okay, line Ben. Okay, rod Ben. Mighty God. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Oh. Bring him in out. Roll him back class. Watch your farm. Watch your foot, Ben. Watch your farm. I'm not having back brace, you know. Man, not having back brace, you know.
Man said I need him back brace.
Tap me here.
Hold on for this ball, man. Nah, let go, man. Say a shark. I'm not giving no more line.
Boy, I want to stop the video, but I can't. I want to stop the video, but I can't. Let me take a seat. Let me take a seat. Fishing done for me till this coming. Fishing done for me until this coming. Me I catch everything. Everything me I catch. Man say, should I do it for me, man? Set the more right now.
Eh?
What? But I boss it, you know. She man take seat.
Hey, Swag, you want to take a picture of that? You want to know how him said that's a shark?
Yeah, there.
Can I see the man that spin out there, so. Hey, DK! Me don't understand how you because you're a student up here, you want to come close, up close and personal.
That's the most farm guy. It's much almost 300 yard man guy then. He might go again, eh? Might come in, man. If you hook him right, he might come in. If you hook him right, he might come in. Yeah, man. At 90 pounds, him say, man, for the man.
You really matter the weight?
No, him say 90 pounds. No, man, at front. Shiley in the front.
That's what I'm saying. It's cheap, bro.
How much bro is that?
See me come back in now, man.
Hurricane there, me give him the hurricane there. That's a go and fight fish hurricane boy. Go show hurricane bend up. Go hurricane bend up. Look hurricane bend up! We're 4 minutes in, people.
Change on.
We're 4 minutes in, people. We're 4 minutes in, people. Get back some line pan him. Get back some line pan him, Smith. Get back some line pan him, yeah. Yeah.
Only 4 minutes.
Watch your farm. Watch your farm.
Show your class.
Watch your farm, yeah, people. Me I go in full detail everything, you know. Me now pause the video. if
Yes,
the,
so we can edit it
Let's
and
say if
and
that
play
video-
piece by piece.
let's say that video at 10 minutes or 20 minutes, man, you get the whole light. 180 gig then of this, man. You can't done this. You can't done this, Mr. Smith. For the whole night me video. You know, always my phone, my power bank in my bag. You know, full batch can't do that.
No one really get liquor and talk about that, what that?
Man, I talk about shark. Do you say a barrow? We can't depend on you. So how we believe you which one?
Father the man said the barrel.
I borrow. That
And
himself
now all of a
first.
sudden, because the fish are run or go out, so a shark.
Then barrow no jump. Eh?
Oh, that's the depend pan.
I mumba borrow this. I borrow we are John all our crazy out here. The old Joan fish. Yeah man, take your time, get back your line man. Take your time, take back your line.